Hey everybody, welcome back to the new to Homestead. Just got a quick video for you. One of the reasons that we decided to keep the old wood stove in here is the fact that we can cook on top of it. Power goes out, whatever it might be. Yes, our cooktop and water heater are going to be gas, but, you know, redundancies. 2 is 1, 1 is none. Anyway, I just wanted to try something out today. Got the wood stove in a few days ago. We've had the wood burning in here. You know, the house is only partly insulated, so we're just trying to see how warm can we keep it. But I'm like, you know what? Let's try something. We just pulled the radishes. Now, Denise does not like radishes straight, but we've heard that if you cook them, if you roast them, they actually turn sweet. So I did that. And I have it on top. And I'm like, well, you know what? We have a couple pieces of meat that were in the freezer. And I thought, well, hey, you know, why not? So I wrapped a couple of steaks in aluminum foil. And I've got it cooking on the top. And it smells really good in here. But I thought, well, hey, you know what? Let's try it. Old wood burning stove, construction site. You know, you've heard of Stranger Things. I've heard of people wrapping roasts in foil and putting them on the manifold of their car to drive home from work or whatever. Strange things, but people swear by it. So I thought, well, hey, you know what? This is less strange than a lot of things I've heard, so we'll check it out. We'll come back tomorrow and let you know how it is. Bye. Okay, it's the next day. Successes and failures, right? Well, did it cook? Yes. Was it good? Well, that's another story and a lot of reasons why or why not. But the radishes that we cooked, not so good. But there's also the fact that they were left in the ground a really long time. They got oversized, so they were a little pithy. So we'll try it again. You know, we'll try and see if we can roast radishes and have them a little sweeter when we have fresher, more appropriately picked radishes. As far as the meat, it cooked really well. It was really tender. I had it on top of the stove there for, about 2.5 hours wrapped in foil. It just didn't have a lot of flavor, and that is totally on me. I mean, like I said, very tender. It just had 2 steaks back to back. I sliced some onion, threw it in between, and mostly just salt, and I don't know. It was okay, but the doggies had a little treat in their breakfast this morning because there was extra. So, but did it cook? Yes. Would we be? Can we? And will we do it again? Absolutely. But anyway, just a quick video as to why we kept that wood burning stove over maybe a new one that you can't even warm water on top of. But also just trying things out, and it worked. Let's put it this way: we wouldn't go hungry, but we definitely be going through some steak sauce for those. All right. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a great day. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. God bless. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.